Hey everybody, good morning. Okay, happy Tuesday. Today for Tuesday for reading and writing, what you guys are going to do is you're going to finish your tree project that I showed you yesterday for your opinion. So you're going to choose a book to write your opinion and reasons, and you're going to make it into a tree. So make it really pretty and decorative. Decorate it all over, use colors, make it look pretty, and then you are going to take a picture and send it to me through email or upload it to Seesaw. All right, for math, what you guys are going to do, I'm going to try to show you on the screen. For math, here's the, like our second grade website. So you guys are going to go to this even and odd chart, okay? And this just kind of explains even and odd numbers. And you can go to this chart and look at it, print it out if you want. Then you're going to go to the even and odd. You have an even and odd math grade. So right here, math grade, even and odd. Okay, so if you can print this out, you're going to print it. If you cannot print it, just copy it on a piece of paper. And then you're going to write down if each number is even or if it's odd. So remember, when you're looking only in the ones place for the even or the odd. You don't look in the tens place. That is not going to tell you if a number's odd or if a number's even. So you're only going to look in the ones place to determine if the number is even or odd. So those are your assignments for today. Don't forget to choose one art or one specials square from the specials choices: art, music, STEM, PE, and then email the specials teacher what you did today. And tomorrow we're gonna have another video conference on Zoom at 9:30, but I will send that out in an email, this email to your parents. So tomorrow at 9 or 9:30, I'll say 9:30. 9:30, we're gonna have another Zoom meeting to see each other. All right, you guys, have a great Tuesday.
Mommy.